Hi, this is Les from Firehawk Technology. Happy to introduce to you the Pickquick multi-bit screwdrivers with the screw bits stored conveniently right in the handle with no moving parts. First of all, our multicolored screwdriver handles are so much better looking than those Taiwanese models that you find elsewhere. Secondly, you have 6 bits that are stored right in the handle. Easy to identify, easy to change. Each bit is 3 inches long, held into the shaft by a very strong magnet. The 1/4-inch bits are also power bit rated. They can be used in power drivers as well. When you do need to change a bit, all you do is rotate the screwdriver, locate the bit that you do need. Take your screwdriver bit that you don't need anymore, shove it into the channel, remove the screwdriver bit you do need, drop it in the shaft, and you're ready to go. It's that fast. Again, rotate, pull the one you don't want, locate the one you do, slide it in, into the shaft, you're ready to go. It's that simple. And if you notice, there's no caps to unscrew, nothing to pop off, there's no mechanisms to worry about. It's just that simple. Each bit is held firmly in the handle. They're not going to slide out either. Take a look at the shaft. It's an aluminum alloy shaft, very strong, and if you notice, it has a bolster right on the shaft. This bolster is perfect, made for power driving by giving that extra torque. What I did was put an adjustable wrench on it. You can tighten the screw or you can loosen the screw with more power than even your hand can normally give. This screwdriver is lifetime warranted, made in Canada, and even the bits have a lifetime warranty on them as well. Now, what's really nice about the screwdriver are these extra bits that are available. You can get spare bits, pack the screwdriver any way you want to suit you. If you notice, we have Allen bits that are standard, Allen metric, security Torx, standard Torx, slotted, Phillips bits, square drive. We even have the tri-bits, and we also have the posi drive. And last but not least, for the HVAC people, the HVAC, we have the Schrader tips used in air conditioning and ventilation. Again, the Pickquick screwdriver, warranted for life, extremely good value for the dollar. You'll find it to be so much better than those imported screwdrivers that are offered in most mass merchant stores.